Hello everyone, I am KUKI, finalist of IAWA Mrs. India and finalist of Quarantine Queen 2020. Welcome to my kitchen. Friends, nutrition is so important in our life because it doesn't only regulate our physical being but affects our mental and emotional beings too. Moreover, it's pandemic time. We need to strengthen our immunity and also be careful not to be overburdened with fats as we are mostly at home in this lockdown with minimal physical movements. No single food items can provide all the essential nutrients to make the diet healthy or balanced. To eat a healthy food, we should include foods from all the food groups in our daily meals, like cereals, proteins, milk, fruits and vegetables. Always know that a little bit of what you fancy does you good. And now is certainly not the time for restriction. You will just end up grabbing what you banned from your diet more. Remember, balance is key. Today I'm going to make Nora chicken bread dish, my own recipe. I gave the name after my daughter Eleanor. It is served best with chicken masala fry, vegetable soup and fruit smoothies. A complete set of nutrients. But friends, don't forget to detox yourself with lemonade or lemon juice half hour before taking your meal. Wash the vegetables thoroughly. If taken raw, treat it with hot water. For bread, we will take 500 grams of all-purpose flour, rich in carbohydrates, sawtooth coriander or cilantro, half tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon of soda backup, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 5 tablespoons of squeezed lemon juice. Have a quick look on the benefits of cilantro. So let's bake on pan. Make sure to keep it thick. Sprinkle the cilantro over it. That shall give a very good aroma. You may add butter if you wish. Now for chicken masala fry, we will take some 300 grams of chicken rich in protein and 4 to 5 potatoes, 2 to 3 bay leaves, dried chilies, spices. Wow, you know friends, India is popular all over the world for its spices. Each spice has its own health benefits. They used for medicinal purposes also. We will take onion, garlic, ginger, all good for weight loss, and then we will garnish it with spring onions at the end. And friends, try always to add vegetable soup in your meal to have all the benefits of vegetables. Whatever vegetables are there in your house, put little bit of everything. To make it thick, you may add 1 smashed boiled potato or a pinch of baking soda. Add a big pinch of black pepper and 2 pinches of black salt. Add few corns if possible to add flavor. Have a quick look on the benefits of tomato and cucumber. Both are rich in vitamin C. You can have them all year round. They keep you hydrated and they are good for skin too. I'm gonna have all this with banana shake today, prepared with milk, coconut and cashew nuts. So friends, my nutritional dish is ready. It's a set of 4 items, all complementing each other. Tastes great, fully nutritional, keeps you healthy and your spirit high. Thank you for watching this video.